Hello guys, welcome to the Facts World. Today we'll discuss about the top 10 largest cities in the Australia. The 10 largest cities collectively showcase Australia's diversity, economic prowess and goals for addressing climate change. Australia's urban landscape is a tapestry of culture, diversity and economic strength. As the nation continues to evolve, its cities play a vital role in shaping its future. But which are the largest cities in Australia? We will explore Australia's most populous cities based on recent figures and the Australian Bureau of Statistics Census, providing an in-depth look into their unique characteristics, the latest available GDP figures, and their efforts towards achieving net zero emissions goals. Before we dive deeper, our request to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so you can get notifications of our more videos like this. Let's start the video. Number 10. Canberra, Australian Capital Territory. Population, approximately 145,000. Canberra, Australia's capital, hosts the nation's political and administrative heart. It thrives on government services and the education sector. In a significant move towards sustainability, Canberra has set an ambitious goal of achieving net zero emissions by 2045. Reflecting its commitment to leading by example. As they strive towards their net zero emissions goals, the largest cities in Australia are not only hopefully contributing to a sustainable future for their residents, but also setting an example for cities around the world. Number 9. Newcastle, New South Wales. Population, approximately 168,000. Newcastle, a major regional center, is known for its coal exports and expanding healthcare and education sectors. In alignment with Australia's national efforts to address climate change, Newcastle has set a target to achieve net zero emissions by 2050, emphasizing its commitment to sustainability and a cleaner future. Number 8. Wollongong, New South Wales. Population, approximately 214,000. Wollongong, situated along the coast, is characterized by its strong manufacturing, healthcare, and education industries. With an ambitious target of achieving net zero emissions by 2030, Wollongong is at the forefront of climate action, highlighting its commitment to environmental sustainability. Number 7. Hobart, Tasmania. Population, approximately 247,000. Hobart is the capital city of the Australian state of Tasmania. It is the largest city in Tasmania and serves as its administrative and economic center. It has a rich history dating back to its origins as a British penal colony in 1804. It's known for its picturesque waterfront, cultural attractions, diverse economy, and outdoor activities like hiking on Mount Wellington. Number 6. Central Coast, New South Wales. Population, approximately 346,000. The Central Coast is known for its coastal lifestyle and growth in the construction, tourism, and healthcare sectors. Embracing a sustainable future, the Central Coast aims to achieve net zero emissions by 2050, contributing to New South Wales' broader environmental goals. Number 5. Adelaide, South Australia. Population, approximately 1.7 million. Adelaide, known for its wine regions and cultural festivals, has a strong presence in defense, manufacturing, and healthcare industries. As part of Australia's efforts to combat climate change, Adelaide has set a goal to achieve net zero emissions by 2050, demonstrating its commitment to environmental responsibility. Number 4. Perth, Western Australia. Population, approximately 2.1 million. Perth, located on Australia's west coast, is synonymous with beaches and a robust mining industry. It's also emerging as a tech and startup hub. With a commitment to environmental stewardship, Perth emphasizes its role in addressing climate change and embracing a sustainable future. Number 3. Brisbane, Queensland. Population, approximately 3.03 million. Brisbane, known as the Sunshine State's gem, offers a pleasant climate, scenic river, and a growing economy fueled by mining, construction, and education. As a city committed to sustainability, Brisbane has set a goal to achieve net zero emissions by 2050, aligning itself with Australia's national efforts to combat climate change. Number 2. Melbourne, Victoria. Population approximately 4.7 million. Melbourne, the cultural capital of Australia, boasts a vibrant art scene, diverse culinary experiences, and a strong presence in the finance, education, and healthcare sectors. Its cultural diversity and notable events calendar have earned it the world's most livable city accolades in the past, from 2011 to 2017, in fact. Number 1. Sydney, New South Wales. Population approximately 4.8 million. Sydney, Australia's largest and perhaps most iconic city, is renowned for its harbour, cultural landmarks, and burgeoning economy. It serves as a global hub for finance, technology, and tourism. Sydney's Central Business District (CBD) hosts a concentration of multinational corporations, while its tech precincts and startup culture contribute to its economic vitality. This was our video about top 10 largest cities in Australia. Thanks for watching our video and subscribe our channel if you like this video.